Indiana Jones impersonator, Harrison Ford impersonator, Mike Goldberg in Keller, Texas here. You can catch me on Cameo.com, Gigsalad.com, contact Miss Bella on Facebook. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do something a little challenging, a little different. I'm going to use the whip, just a basic crack, the overhead, and I'm going to incorporate stick strikes with it, something I learned from the GrandTuhon Supremo Gaje of the Pekiti Tirsia system. And if you want to learn more, please contact my good friend not Graham, but he's getting there, Tuhon Tim Wade. Well, let's see what I can do. Oh, shall I? Well, short and sweet, didn't want to bore you, but you get the idea. Try doing it yourself. It's a lot of fun. I'll see you at a convention. Please give me a like, subscribe, maybe even a rumble on rumble.com. Until then, I'm like a bad penny. I always turn up.